Analysis Engine works with business-critical data that you want to move in and out of Google Analytics. To do that, we need to occasionally store your data when we queue it for import or keep it handy for easy downloading. For your peace of mind, Analysis Engine offers flexible options that allow you to choose where your data is stored when Analysis Engine is working with it. By default, data is stored on our secure servers, but you also have the option to store your data in either Google Drive or Google Cloud Storage accounts that you control. In this tutorial, we'll look at how you can modify your organization's data storage options in order to use your own Google account to store data. To do this, you need to be an administrator for your organization in Analysis Engine. Click on the Organization Management link in the header of Analysis Engine, and then choose the Edit Data Storage Options button. Here, you can choose to store your data import and data export data in Google Drive, Google Cloud Storage, or within Analysis Engine itself. For Google Drive, simply select Google Drive as your storage option for either imports or exports, and then choose whether or not you want to use a common Google account to store all of your data. You can either choose to use the connection used by each individual import or export in order to store data in their corresponding Google accounts, or you can configure a single Google account to store all import and/or export data that Analysis Engine needs. Note that if you choose the first option, every Google account that you use for imports and exports must have Google Drive access turned on in order to store data. If you choose to use a common Google account for all of your files, you can choose to use either an existing Google account or connect to a new one. For Google Cloud Storage, simply choose to use Google Cloud Storage as your option for imports or exports. Note that Cloud Storage is a paid service. In order to store data in it, you will need to have pre-configured a project within Cloud Storage and have enabled billing for it. You'll need to select a Google account to use for all of your Cloud Storage files, or connect to a new one. Once you do, enter the name of your existing Cloud Storage project, and then choose a bucket into which you want to place your files. If you do not already have a bucket available, you can choose to create a new one. Of course, you can also store import and export data on Analysis Engine's secure servers. If you choose to do this for imports, however, please note that you will not be able to use the Cost Data Import Adjustments feature. This is because we need to store uploaded cost data long-term in order to adjust it when required, and we'd prefer to do this in accounts that you manage for your own data security. For data exports, you may also choose the length of time that exported data will be stored after it is generated. Within this amount of time, the exported data will be available for re-download. Once it expires, the data will be erased from whichever storage location you chose for data exports. Once you've chosen your data storage options, click the Save button. Analysis Engine will now use the data storage locations you've chosen in order to save all of the data it temporarily stores as your team uses data imports and exports.